Hey guys, and welcome back to yet another video. In today's video, we're in canva.com and we're basically looking at the text embroidery option. So I've never used this before, and I'm seeing here that you use one text embroidery credit. So I'm not sure if it is that I'll get a second chance. So I just wanted for us to do it together. So I'm just going to type my name, Lamoy G, and I'm just going to go ahead to change the color because you do have an option here. We can actually change the color to pink. Okay, so I have like 30 characters, but I'm just using 6. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on generate, and we're just going to see how long Canva is going to take to input that. Are you seeing this? This looks absolutely amazing. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on add to design, and we have it right here. Let me just extend this a bit and try to center it. Okay, let me do that. Go right here. And I just feel like I'm going to design this a bit. Okay, so let's see if we can we're going to go to elements, right? Okay, let's see if I'm getting the option to create another. Oh, so I won't get the option to create another. So I'm just going to go ahead to leave it at that, but let's just still try because I'm seeing use 1 of 0. Okay, I'm not going to try. I'm not going to humiliate myself. Uh, let's go up, up, up to elements. And we're just going to type pink border. Just to give some touch to this, because we already have that here, right? And let's just go ahead to duplicate this. And I'm going to bring it up here. And then I'm going to go ahead to flip it horizontally. I don't think that. Yeah, vertically. And I'm just going to go ahead to put it over here. And just like that, we have a design. So let me just zoom it so you guys can see it. Oh, here we are. Okay, let me take this off. Okay, now let me go ahead to zoom it. Ain't that beautiful? Yeah, guys, so this is basically the embroidery feature as regards to text. I do hope that you like it because I definitely do. See you in my next one.